In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion dark mode. If you spend a lot of time in Notion, switching to a darker theme can make reading and writing easier on your eyes, especially at night. It can also help your screen feel calmer and more focused. I'll walk you through the exact path to turn it on, and share a few tips so you know what to expect when the theme changes. First, look to the bottom left of your Notion window. That's where your sidebar ends, and it's where the main controls for your workspace live. You should see an option labeled Settings, often inside the Settings and Members area. Click that. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can reach the bottom left controls. Opening Settings takes you to a window where you manage how Notion behaves for you, regardless of which page or database you're working on. Inside that window, go to Preferences. This section is all about your personal app experience. It includes things like language, notifications, and appearance. We're here for appearance, which is where Notion groups the theme options, so you're in the right place. Don't worry if the menu looks a little different depending on your version. You're looking for the area labeled Theme or Appearance within Preferences. Now find the theme setting and change it to dark. As soon as you choose dark, Notion will switch its background to a deep gray or black, text will shift to lighter tones, and interface elements like sidebars and menus will adopt darker shades. The change is instant, so you'll immediately see how your pages, databases, and templates look in the new theme. If a page contains colorful highlights or callouts, those will remain readable, but the overall contrast will be tuned for low light comfort. A couple of quick notes to make the most of this. You can come back to the same place anytime to switch between light and dark if your environment changes. Some versions of Notion also include a system option that follows your device's theme automatically, which is helpful if you prefer your apps to adjust based on the time of day. Dark mode is a personal display preference, so it affects only how you see Notion, not how your teammates see shared pages. That's it. You've turned on dark mode in Notion using Settings, Preferences, and the Theme control. Try it for a few days to see how it feels and adjust as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more comfortable Notion workspace.